Construction is in progress at this facility, just announced by the Minister of Health as one among the places targeted as isolation centers in the nation's capital. 190 bed spaces are expected to be created here. Players in the oil and gas industry, led by the NNPC, are working together to ensure that this center is ready in 2 weeks' time.
The industry, oil and gas in particular, are donating about 121 billion naira now from the 11 billion that we announced last week, and they're all going to be in kind. The companies are going to use their own procurement processes to bring this on the table.
On behalf of the oil industry, on behalf of NNPC, I hereby hand over all the ambulances that we've been able to put together. We are still getting more. This is an ongoing effort.
Another center, a facility owned by the NNPC, is also in the offing. A 60-bed space holding bay is expected there. In all, 250 bed spaces will be created. The head of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 says this intervention will go a long way in managing any upsurge in the FCT if the need arises.
We are not praying to get to that, but we must prepare. And there is nothing like over-preparation in this regard. Screen them and process them before we determine whether they need hospital care, they need intensive care, and all other cares within the process.
Now, a number of well-spirited Nigerians and corporate bodies have made one form of donations or the other in cash and kind. And Nigerians have been asking, what really have these monies been used for?
Because of their structure, their governance issues, they will raise their funds, they will expend their funds. All we need to do is to provide them with our needs. They have their procurement processes. They will go through those procurement processes. At the end of the exercise, they would account to their donors as to how those monies have been expended. That is in addition to whatever government is doing.
This, to an extent, answers a number of questions that have been raised on the issue. However, Nigerians are demanding more transparency and accountability from government as the country battles the outbreak of coronavirus. From the nation's capital, Chinaemerem Joseph, Silverbird News 24.